What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP as well as Solana. And then in the afternoon, we're going to be covering Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. So definitely make sure to stick around for today's video as well as the one in the afternoon. Now, specifically, what we need to look at in today's video is the fact that we had major swings, major price volume movements across the board, pretty much across the entire market, seeing, hugely impact Solana. We saw it impact XRP. We have Ethereum seeing this major rift, and the same thing with Bitcoin too. Now, XRP was funny. Right after I made yesterday's video, I actually saw in the 4-hour charts that we were forming some sort of ascending fractal here. And as we were heading up, if I had made this or I found it earlier, I would have posted about it. And I was planning on doing it this morning as I am now, but I thought we'd continue to play this out here. But ideally, what I was going to say is this is typically a bearish movement here. It's textbook bearish, and typically when we break either through top resistance, obviously we break out, and if we close below this, we break down. You can see, unfortunately, it all happened within the same candle, but ideally, once we started to play below that, maybe if we jump to like the hourly, we'll get a better, clearer view. Yeah, you can see once we've confirmed closure above this ascending fractal here, that was the ideal buy-in for a short opportunity on XRP, basically gauging exactly where the market was going to be moving to, which is pretty interesting. I do want to talk about that. But with all of that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump right into today's episode. Lots of important things to go over. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, 2 announcements we need to make. We are still doing the Amazon gift card giveaway. It is a $20 Amazon gift card I will be mailing to you, as well as some BidFi merchandise. I have BidFi, a t-shirt, an extra large t-shirt, and some keychains that I want to send out to you completely free. All you have to do is comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency, as well as make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And that's literally it. Comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below. I'm going to pick one of you at random Sunday morning, and I'm going to send all this out to you for free as a thank you and a way to kick off this new year with some market movement. So I'm excited to see what's to come. Beyond that as well, we have BidFi. I asked them to change the bonus because it was a little wonky with having to do trading volume of over like 200K. I said, yeah, not everybody's going to want to do that here. So we changed it right here. So now you can earn up to $200 in free crypto by literally making a deposit on the exchange. It's that simple. Link is down in the description. Sign up. You get 10% of it. So if you deposit like a K, you get $100. And remember, you can then withdraw your money out of it. So if you just have money, you move around, you can collect all these deals and get free cryptocurrency. So definitely make sure to check this out. This one is pretty much by far one of the easiest BidFi, claim rewards you can get. So make sure to do that ASAP down in the description below. Anywho, diving into the much anticipated and awaited technical analysis. Yesterday, put out 2 videos. You guys seem to have liked it a lot. I'm actually very excited, and I might actually start to continue to do this, as you guys pretty much said this is what you want. Now, we made a video in the morning talking about XRP as we started to determine that there was a even an hourly kind of symmetrical triangle forming here. We knew that once we filled this gap in, we would have a buy-in opportunity. We then pumped out another video a couple of hours after here, around I think 12 or 1 o'clock, saying that history is starting to repeat itself with Bitcoin here, and that we are so overbought that at some point or another, FOMO is going to happen. People are going to be buying it, and the market is just going to landslide dump. If you watch yesterday's video where we talked about that on Bitcoin, I literally gave you a warning that the dump was going to happen. And then lo and behold, after I posted that, I checked the markets, and just like that, we had a major correction here within Bitcoin, a massive landslide dump, 15% in just a couple of hours, which is nuts. But anywho, that's what I want to talk about. We'll talk more about the Bitcoin stuff later on. You can see, looking at the current coin market cap here, quick refresh shows you big swing from 90 to 86 on the Fear and Greed Index, 2.5 trillion on the dot, down a percentage, but you can see every crypto had a dump. Massive dump in Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Cardano, Doge, Shiba, like everything fell. Honestly, you got to think of the market kind of like, if hopefully this is a good analogy here, but if you've ever been to like a water park, like Splish Splash, maybe, that's just one that comes to my mind here. They have those big things that fill with water. It's constantly filling in, and then it just dumps on you, and then it resets. That's pretty much the market right now. We've just been piling in a ton of funny money. That's what I'm calling it, because we have cryptos like Shiba and Dog with a Hat and Floki and Pepe and Bonk, which is so odd, and Doge. All these meme coins are up 200, 200, 157, 153, 182, 65. Like they're exploding up, and they're meme coins here. So we're just dumping all this funny money into crypto, and then as soon as it does, we're gonna go vloop, and it's gonna dump on everyone's heads, and everybody's gonna get shorted out really quickly. So you just got to be careful with how you trade on these markets here. Now, looking at XRP, I wish I made this video earlier, but it is what it is, because literally right after I posted my Bitcoin video, XRP and the rest of the market started a dip. And I discovered, as we zoomed in, there's typically always technical indicators forming here, which is good news, because what we just did right now is going to form a new indicator, which we can use to track, the movement of XRP. But you can see here, I zoomed in on the hourly, and I was like, hey, well, let's start this off. This is what we were looking at on the daily here. We had a beautiful continuation of our beautiful bull flag formation here. We broke out of it. It was a clear and easy opportunity to buy in. I actually think we're going to continue to head up. But before we do, check this out here. You can see that we started to see some sort of ascending fractal. And I was like, hey, hold on a minute. Let me zoom in. And then I zoomed into the hourly, and I was like, ooh, we do have a new technical indicator here. We have a rising wedge. You can clearly see the ascending fractal, where each time we fall, it's higher than the last. And each time we head up, it's higher than the last. So look at how we pinball off this back and forth, continuing this wave of certainty here. And simply put, very solid price ceiling, because why? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of resistance, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of support. So it was a clearly very well drawn out ascending fractal here. And it's pretty much, if we close below support, we buy in for a short. We close above resistance, we buy in for a long. Now, hopefully you guys saw it, but we're going to talk about it now, because I can't catch every single opportunity. Luckily, we have the power now to short cryptocurrency, which means if we miss runs to the upside, we get on the downside, and vice versa. We miss runs to the downside here, you get in on the upside. Let's say you missed out on this run upwards here, you can get in on the dump downwards. So lots of opportunities here, but check this out. We're now forming a new indicator here. So let's see how this pans out. As we start to play around with this, maybe we'll trade like this, and guess what? This will then form its own technical indicator, and we'll be able to buy in and long. Make sure to check out my trades on Patreon, which I linked down in the description. I know a lot of you guys are wondering where you can get my trades from. Well, that's where it is. Like I said, linked down in the description below. But anywho, that's what we're looking at here. So let's let this pan out. Again, this is on the hourly. I'm going to delete this for right now, because I think we're out of it for the time being. And if we back up a little bit, back to the daily, you can see we actually fell to a solid level. You can see we still are in a massive ascending fractal. We do have a bull flag forming here. Sorry, descending fractal. We still have a beautiful flag pull. We still have the beautiful flag itself, and we have the beautiful breakout. And this is just the beginning here. Yes, in the past, we have just exploded to the upside, but consider this. There has been many a times where it doesn't just rally up. There is points of consolidation consistently. Same thing here. We break through. Well, guess what? We fell after, then we headed up higher. We break through right here. We fell down, then we broke up higher. Look at the consistency with these breakouts here. It didn't just moon blast. We went up, then down, then up. We went up, then down, then up. This one was straight up, but we went out, down, and then back up. So you can see kind of that there is a small pullback, and then the biggest run comes. So it's not too late. There is still more opportunity here, which I'm excited to look at. You can see clearly now where that buy-in opportunity is. We've now pretty much mapped out with certainty a buy-in for support and resistance. We came right back down to moving average. We cooled off, lowered ourselves to 55 on the relative strength indicator. So what we're looking for is confirmation above this. This is beautiful for me. And you guys need to be paying close attention so that when this opportunity comes, we buy in. Set it up right now. We're going to have a we're going to have a buy-in, a trigger buy-in, but then again, we want to wait for closure, because if this swings up, hits it, and then falls, we're screwed. Just like we did yesterday. We could have hit it, and then we fell, and then we're back up. You don't want to wait for that. You want to wait for us to close the daily above this. We close above 65 cents, and it is game on for XRP, and we're going to continue that lineup. So just consider that just because we're pulled back down now doesn't mean the XRP, run that I've been talking about is over. There is history here. Consistent history calls for pullback within these bull flags. It's consistent all over these markets here. Every single, almost, I think out of the 5 ones, out of the 5 bull flags, 4 of them has have had corrections, and then we've continued upwards here. And now we've had this correction to moving average. It should allow us to pump even higher. So I'm very excited to see the results and the fruit of our labor on on XRP. More so, I mean, we could gauge some other supports. I'm going to leave it alone for right now. We'll go back to the daily. That's the main focus for right now. Now, obviously, we're going to take advantage of every single one of these XRP trades on BitFi, because BitFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. What's cool is you can even refer friends and earn a bonus too. So definitely make sure to check it out. Link down in the description below. Like I said, you get free BitFi merch. You can even get around $200 and more, over $200 in free cryptocurrency, literally by making a deposit. So sign up, add money, get your money, and then you can withdraw it out of the exchange, which is very cool. Beyond that too, you can see here they have a demo trading account, which is freaking awesome if you ask me. I'm opening this up. They even have a welcome rewards bonus here. So not only can you earn the 200, you can then run right over to the rewards right here and earn over $2,000 in free rewards by completing new user, advanced, and exclusive tasks. So it's a way to just get free money while the exchanges offer before they expire. Just go grab it, trade around. You can use it and withdraw all your profits. So it's literally a win-win situation. You don't lose anything. And if you're even more uncomfortable with that, there's other options too. BitFi even has a demo trading account. That means free it means free risk-free trading here. You get 50 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills, get familiar with the platform, get familiar with the website, and then when you're ready, you can, switch on over to the live account. But this literally is the platform. You can get familiar with your trades completely risk-free because of this demo account. They have Bitcoin, they have Doge, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, XRP, every single cryptocurrency you would want is offered on their demo trading account. Practice your trades, practice my trades. When you're ready, switch on over to that live account and you can use the real bonus money that you earned to make some profit. I mean, it's a win-win situation. Anyway, moving forward from that, with this uptrend that we're now starting to consider here, and you can see that, XRP is still in a higher low position long term. We haven't broken out of it just yet. Look at this. Like, we're still in a higher low trajectory here. We haven't reversed out of it. If we fell like down to here, okay, now we're in a lower high scenario. But until then, we're still bouncing off and probably going to continue to create these higher lows, which is incredibly well. And it's a good history for XRP. Now, as for Solana, this is where things get interesting, and I highly recommend you stick around for the afternoon video when we look at Ethereum and Bitcoin, because this is also happening with them quite a bit too. Now, you can see with Solana, this major swing here. It's almost like we're back inside of this. We've been tracking the symmetrical triangle here, and this is the problem with the market. We start getting tons of manipulation. Like I was saying about the big dump within, a water park here. Big bull trap. And then we dump. This is literally textbook definition of a bull trap. We head up. Ooh, buy-in. Boom. We dump to the downside here. What's even funny is we're still trading inside this kind of ascending fractal. Now, it depends on how you want to do it. I didn't trade on Solana just because I've got so much stuff going on. I haven't had an opportunity, and there's so many other altcoins to pay attention to. But again, we're trading on the 2-hour chart. This is extremely risky. You'd be crazy to think that this doesn't come without risk. Here's where the kicker is. If we swing things back to the daily, things kind of lighten up for our conservative traders out there here. You can see we came back down to moving average. We're going to let this play out. There's a chance we could still very well be inside this here. We're still filling this out, and we could still play this, here, and we'll get another opportunity to buy in. But you can see if I jump to the daily, we look great. We look incredibly well on the daily, and I'm going to leave this for now. You can see on the daily for Solana here, we're still in an ascending fractal. We're still following this uptrend here. You can see we have been beautifully using this means of support to just go higher and higher and higher. And you can see with the uncertainty that happened yesterday, we're still in it, baby. And we're just going to keep moving up here until we break through this. The next buy-in for us conservative traders out there is above resistance here. We break through price ceiling at 140. Game on, baby. We break through this. We buy in. We long to the upside. Easily moving position up to 172. So wait for daily confirmation. Wait for closure. That's the opportunity. Notice how many times we rejected off this. Once we broke through, we went all the way up to 141. Now we're looking for the same thing. We're waiting for break above here. Otherwise, there's a good chance we'll just move up. You want to play it more moderate? expect to see movement like this. But I'm excited overall for the market. Hopefully that helped a lot of you guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Make sure to enter this giveaway. It's free. I can't stand when people don't want free stuff. There's literally no strings attached, no surprises, nothing. Go enter the giveaway down in the description below. Show your support down in the comments below. Show your support. Leave a comment. Your favorite crypto. That's it. And I'll see you in the afternoon. Peace.